Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 24th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the Euro dollar, overall, I'm definitely still very bearish. I still personally think it's either going to go down and make a higher low for a running, or it's possibly going to go down to these lower levels for an expanding ABC or a flat pattern, which means that this move up is probably just a pullback within a downtrend. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. We got a lot of news coming out for the dollar today. CPI inflation data, most importantly. I see what looks like almost a perfect five waves, and then I see a pulse of up, break of structure, likely a wave A. This is probably like a wave B right here, probably like a running wave B. I think we probably are going to drift up a little, to one of these fib levels. It could be the 50, it could be the 61. We don't really know. But I do think there's a very good chance it's going to go to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. I think the 50 is probably a more likely area before we get another impulsive move to the downside. This could even be like a wave one, a wave two, and then eventually go down for a wave three based on the daily time frame analysis. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.